Hello, everyone. I hope all of you are having a good time. My name is Saurav, and I am a product manager with Adobe Illustrator. Today, I'm going to give you an overview of Illustrator product roadmap for the year 2024. At the end of this session, you would get to know about all the great things the Illustrator team was able to deliver till now and what's more to come. So, this year, there are three main focus areas for us. The first one is desktop, the second is generative AI, and the third one is AI on the web. I'll talk about the product updates across all these three focus areas. So let's start with the desktop first. For desktop, it's been a pretty eventful year so far. In the beginning of this year, we saw Dimension tool, which lets you put dimension onto your artwork getting released, which quickly became a fan favorite. We also have got tremendous feedback with Retype, which helps you extract text from images, or even for that matter, mockup, which helps you visualize your artwork on various surfaces. We also saw the introduction of context bar, which helps you quickly get things you want. This year, we also have heard your feedback and address some of your requests, like bringing improvement to the link panels, or for example, making star as a live shape. However, the year has not ended for us, and we have got many more exciting things lined up for this year. The most important ones for your concern would be an upgrade to the compiler. We are also bringing in CP12 integration to Illustrator. Apart from this changes, which is significantly going to impact your plugin development process, we are also bringing in performance improvement to Illustrator. You will see soon 5x up to 5x performance improvement in pan and zoom, and up to 5x working up to 5x faster image operation. Image trace is also getting a huge makeover. We are introducing features like curve fitting, transparency support, etc., to make image trace even more useful. That context bar, which all of you have already been using a lot, will be making it even more useful by bringing in more object type support and making more tool exposure in the context bar itself. We are working also on a new feature called Object on Path, which helps you attach and arrange object on a path seamlessly. Apart from this, we are making Retype more useful by bringing in more language support for French, Japanese, and German text. So this is all we got for desktop for this year. Moving to the next focus area, which is GenAI. On GenAI, the goal has been to bring creative assistance and efficiency to your workflows. And this year, since the launch of text to vector last year, we have been continuously making improvement to text to vector by bringing in more functionality. You must have seen we have introduced new color controls, detail sliders, or even variation that are linked to your generation this year so far. And we have got couple of more exciting things lined up for this year as well. We'll continue to make text to vector even more useful to you by making further enhancement. We are making the UX even more simplified, even more useful to you. We'll also try to improve on the visual quality. We are working very hard to make sure that once you create the vector from your text prompt, you will be easily be able to edit them to suit your needs. Apart from this, we are also launching text to pattern. Text to pattern, as the name suggests, helps you create pattern from simple text prompts. Apart from this two great functionality, we are also have a we have a couple of more GenAI features lined up for this year. So I would request all of you to keep an eye out and keep trying on this new exciting feature and keep giving us the feedback. Lastly, we'll be talking about AI Web. With AI Web, our vision is to make Illustrator more accessible to more users by creating a light version of Illustrator on web. Ever since Illustrator beta has been launched last year, we have been continuously making improvement to this experience based on your feedback. Having said that, I would also like to call out that we are still at a very early stage. We are still figuring out what is the right feature set, what is the right experience, which is going to appeal to the new users and help them succeed faster. And in pursuit of that, this year we have launched few features. The first is Discover Mode. Discover Mode helps you access AI Web even without signing in. We have also noticed a lot of feedback around performance and hence made improvement in that area. We have also simplified the home screen out of several UX improvements that we have done this year. One interesting thing or one new tool which we have launched for web this year is the Quick Pen tool. Think of Quick Pen tool as a light version of Pen tool which helps you achieve the same thing but with far more easier control and much more elegant usability. This year we have got several more things lined up based on your feedback. As I said in the beginning, our goal with AI Web is to make Illustrator more accessible to new users. And for that, we are making even the experience even more simplified. You will see context bar, which a lot of people are deriving value in the desktop. We are trying to bring it to AI Web as well. We'll also be making a lot of efforts in regards to tutorials and onboarding, which can help you learn Illustrator even faster and makes you successful early on. We'll also be bringing new effects and new controls and new capabilities onto AI Web. Our goal is to make AI Web not just simple to use but also powerful. So in that endeavor, we'll keep on bringing more and more power, more and more tools and functionality to web while we are reinventing the experience which suits to the new to Illustrator users. So this is all we have uh, from our side, all the updates in regards to Illustrator. I'll take this moment to request all of you to try out all these new changes and all these new features and share your feedback from us. That's all from my side.